Oh, yo, they're here, they're
Switching.
they're pulled.
Should we kill this bottom pack quick or avoid it?
Who is they?
Nah,
Who is
avoid it.
they?
Fucking healer.
Oh, let's go. You're on them?
Yeah.
Oh, come on guys, quick.
I'm not
Don't
fucking
overcommit
jumping
too
in.
bad.
Bro, he gonna
So-
die. He gonna die.
Get on that healer, guys. Oh, they're down. Yeah, they're fucked. Poor guys.
Poor guys.
One guy's trying to get away.
Video.
Hey,
Oh,
Are
bro,
his tears down? Oh, they're all down.
this guy right here.
They were
We need
like,
to watch
wiping-
more videos when we're pulling.
Just switch out and run.
Yeah, I gotta run.
Please.
You probably won't be able to get away here.
How many did we kill? 3?
One of them's down still. Did you guys execute him?
Yeah, I executed.
So 3 died or 4?
Holy shit. I think 3
What's
died.
happening? Are you guys lagging? Oh my god, fuck. Shit just
Not.
froze on me.
No way that guy's getting out. No,
He
he's
let
not
me
getting
out.
out. Really, I just wonder if there's 2 of them though left or just him. Holy shit, what? Gears is flat 5. Somebody loot him. Let's all loot one body. We should just enact
Did one
that
of them
rule.
fucking die clearing?